Young with a C farm ball. Second place goes to another Young with a Super C, and third place goes to Newton with an Oliver 77. So now we're ready for the 3,500 non-cut tires Division 2 class. Ryan Young, Art Sims, Chantley Newton, and Ted Erkey. So Ryan Young coming down the track now. Good afternoon, Mr. Bowers. Speaking of that, we will have a plow full of Florence coming up sometime. I guess it's Saturday before Labor Day, I think. Don't know the date. Saturday before Labor Day over at Florence, Missouri. And this, Ryan is back, running again. We're going to get him right there. 271.11 feet, 271.11 feet for Ryan Newton. Next up is Art Sims. I believe Art's been here, and or his boy, ever since I've been here, and I was at the first one. Art's been pulling here a long time with an 861 Ford diesel. It looks like the boy's pulling today. I think this is Little Art, but Little Art got bigger. Here's a little tractor that will really surprise you. Those little Fords, given a good track like this, they do a pretty doggone good job. And this is a diesel. What I tell you, look at that little Ford 861 diesel, get in there and get it. We might be able to hear you now. 290.45 feet, 290.45 feet for Art Sims. Chantley Newton from Smithton's up next with a 770 Oliver. That's the guy. Up here, howdy. We're going to see some V8 modified tractor pulling this evening. Don't run off. We're going to look like a beautiful evening, and we're ready to roll. You see the General is making a pass on the other side. We're going to get ready here, and we're going to have 2 lanes of pulling and get this thing on schedule.
some thank yous. The Otterville Truck and Tractor Pull would like to thank Wanda Lewis for the use of this land and family. Everyone who has helped or donated as sponsors, whether it be money or in kind, is greatly appreciated. The Bank of Otterville and the Ag Co-op of Otterville for sponsoring the General Sled. Pork and Bottle and Richard Helmick Farm for sponsoring the flat top sled that we are using right now. A lot of names there that have been very much in the thick of things from the very get-go of this truck and tractor pull here at Otterville.
There are a lot of sponsors. You can see their flags hanging there on the fence, and we appreciate y'all supporting those sponsors, and we appreciate the sponsors supporting this event. I'll read a few of them off. There are almost too many to read very many times, but WK Chevrolet, Rick Ball and Sedalia, Otten Small Engine, EasyNet, Hassler Repair, American Family Insurance, John Brandt, Otterville Mini Mart, Doyle's Alignment Plus, Tipton Latham Bank, Beverage Hut, Sidon Stricker Implement, Commerce Bank of Tipton, Otterville Ag Co-op, Advanced Heating and Air Conditioning, Bryan Motors, Bank of Otterville. And here comes Chanley Newton and a 770.
Doing a mighty fine job there. Dad's coaching there and doing a fine job, and we'll get the measurement here in a second. Ben, we didn't get a readout on the measurement.
.87 feet for Chanley Newton. 272.87 feet for Chanley Newton. Chad Erkey from Florence with a WC's up next. Chad Erkey.
Father like son here. Charles Erkey pulled here for many years, and son still taking up the hobby and still supporting your Otterville truck and tractor pull. And that will be the last puller in Division 2, 3,500 that is on the track right now. And Jeff, where are we going from here? Newton, Art Sims, Jared Milligan,
200.
Ralph I again, Caitlin Overa, and Michael Helming. So those need to be getting ready for the next class.
285 feet, .08, 285.08 for Chad Erkey. And that concludes 3500 Division II class. And first place goes to Art Sims, second place goes to Chad Erkey, third place goes to Chanley Newton.
Come on in, the water's just fine. Find you a piece of real estate, a chair, a bleacher. Call your friends, your enemies, anybody you want to call and say, hey, we're at the Otterville Truck and Tractor Pull, where are you? So bring it on, and there'll be a lot of action to come. Okay, policy, we're going to Division 3, 3500. This is the modified class of cut cars, and they're not going to work back and forth and go up the ladder between the two divisions. This is Mr. Frank Young again. Assuming 3500. Yes, Division 3, cut cars, 3500, Frank Young, Boonville, Super C.
315.31 feet, 315.31 feet for Frank Young to Super C. Howdy, Joe Lane from Smithton with an Alex camera WC.
Paperwork on the general side.
249.88 feet for whomever's in the Born the Boogie ticket.
right there, more in the boogie. They were just testing things out. So, getting ready on the other side. Okay, young. We'll see who's driving. Seen this tractor pull up at Smithton the other night. It's a pretty good tractor. Alabama style WC. And we got a lady driver, and she's putting that WC down the track. Kind of looking through the muffler, but got the really skid bars firmly planted. Alice Challenger is what they call this tractor. Give her a nice hand.
233.47 feet. 233.47 feet. And that concludes the Division 3 Cut Tires 3500 class. Frank Young's first. Allie Joe Lane is second.